Today, we're diving into the world of air fryers, the kitchen gadgets that have taken the cooking scene by storm. Whether you're a health enthusiast or just someone who loves crispy food, air fryers are a game changer. So, without further ado, let's explore the 6 best air fryers you can buy right now. Number 6. PowerXL Vortex Air Fryer Pro Performance. The PowerXL Vortex Air Fryer Pro delivers impressive results, cooking food evenly and quickly. With a powerful 1500 watts, it can fry, bake, roast, and grill, providing a crispy texture without excessive oil. Technology and features. This air fryer features rapid air technology, which circulates hot air for faster cooking. It includes 8 preset cooking functions, making it easy to prepare a variety of dishes with just one touch. The 10-quart capacity is perfect for families, allowing you to cook large meals in one go. Design. Its sleek, modern design fits seamlessly into any kitchen decor. The digital touchscreen is user-friendly, and the non-stick basket is dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. Weight. Weighing around 12 pounds, it's portable enough to move around, but sturdy enough to stay in place while cooking. Price. The PowerXL Vortex Air Fryer Pro is priced around $120 to $150, which is competitive given its size and features. Pros: versatile cooking options, air fries, bakes, and roasts. Large capacity, ideal for family meals. Easy to clean, dishwasher-safe parts. Cons: bulky size, may take up significant counter space. Limited recipe book. Some users may want more guidance on cooking times. Number 5. GoWISE USA 8-in-1 Digital Air Fryer Performance. The GoWISE USA 8-in-1 Digital Air Fryer delivers fast and even cooking thanks to rapid air circulation technology, offering crispy textures without excessive oil. Ideal for families, this air fryer can handle multiple types of foods, from fries to chicken wings, with ease. Technology and features. This air fryer includes 8 cooking presets: air fry, roast, grill, bake, etc. A digital touchscreen with intuitive controls, and an adjustable temperature range from 180° Fahrenheit to 400° Fahrenheit. It also has a 30-minute timer with auto shutoff for added convenience and safety. Design. Compact and stylish, it's available in multiple colors to fit any kitchen decor. The sleek, space-saving design includes a removable non-stick basket for easy cleaning. Weight: approximately 14 pounds, making it portable and easy to move around the kitchen. Price: affordable and typically priced around $70 to $90, offering value for a range of features. Pros: versatile with 8 preset functions. Fast and energy-efficient cooking, digital controls and safety features. Cons: limited capacity for larger meals, may need preheating for optimal results. Number 4. Philips Premium Digital Air Fryer XXL. Performance. The Philips Premium Digital Air Fryer XXL quickly heats up, using hot air for a crispy exterior and juicy interior without the need for oil. With its large capacity, it can cook meals for up to 6 people, making it ideal for families. Technology and features. This air fryer uses Philips rapid air technology for even cooking. It features a digital display with preset options for popular dishes, plus a keep warm mode, which maintains food temperature after cooking. Design. The sleek, black, and stainless steel design blends well with modern kitchens. Its XXL size allows for cooking whole chickens or multiple dishes at once, though it takes up more counter space than standard models. Weight. Weighing approximately 19 pounds, it's substantial, but not too heavy to move occasionally if needed. Price: around $300, placing it at a premium price point for air fryers, though it offers more versatility and advanced features than many competitors. Pros: digital controls with multiple cooking presets for convenience, rapid air technology for evenly cooked crispy results, reduces fat in food without compromising flavor, easy to clean with dishwasher-safe parts. Cons: bulky size, requiring ample counter space, higher price point compared to other air fryers, limited basket size for extra large items. Number 3. Instant Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Air Fryer Oven. Performance. The Vortex Plus combines 6 essential functions: air frying, roasting, broiling, baking, reheating, and dehydrating. It heats up quickly, circulating hot air for crispy and delicious results without excess oil. With customizable one-touch programs, you can make your favorite dishes with ease and consistency. Technology and features. Advanced Even Crisp technology gives you that deep-fried texture without the calories, while a 1700-watt motor ensures faster cooking. The oven also has adjustable temperature control, a digital display, and a 60-minute timer for added convenience. Design and weight. The Vortex Plus has a sleek stainless steel finish that's both modern and easy to clean. It weighs about 19 pounds, compact enough to fit on most countertops, yet spacious enough to cook a whole chicken with its 6-quart capacity. Price. The Instant Vortex Plus typically retails around $130, providing a budget-friendly option that still offers powerful features and high-quality results. Pros. Versatile with 6 functions in one. Fast cooking with even crisp technology. Easy to clean stainless steel exterior. Cons. Bulky for smaller kitchens. Limited temperature range compared to other air fryers. Number 2. Cosori Pro LE 5-quart air fryer. Performance. Quick overview. Delivers evenly cooked, crispy food with 360-degree rapid heat circulation technology. Power. 1500 watt. Powerful enough for quick meals without sacrificing flavor or texture. Technology and features. Temperature control. Range from 175 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Great for diverse recipes. Customizable programs. 9 preset cooking modes for easy, one-touch meals. Safety features. Automatic shutoff and non-slip feet for stability. Design. Style. Sleek, matte black exterior with a modern LED touchscreen. Capacity. 5-quart capacity. Ideal for 1 to 4 servings. Perfect for small families or individuals. Space saving. Compact size fits well on most countertops without dominating the space. Weight. Weighs approximately 12 pounds, making it easy to move around if needed. Price. Affordability. Priced competitively, usually around $80 to $100, offering great value for performance. Pros. Fast cooking with 360-degree heat technology. Sleek, compact design. Affordable, with multiple cooking presets. Cons. Limited to smaller batch cooking. Lacks some advanced features, like app control. Number 1. Ninja Foodi Dual Zone Air Fryer. The Ninja Foodi Dual Zone Air Fryer is built to impress with 2 independently controlled cooking zones. This feature means you can cook 2 different dishes at 2 different temperatures. No more juggling multiple appliances. With its high-powered 1700 watts, you can expect crisp and even cooking across both zones. Technology and features. Now let's talk features. This air fryer has a dual-zone technology with smart finish, which syncs the cooking times of each basket, so both dishes finish at once. It also offers 6 cooking functions: air fry, bake, roast, reheat, dehydrate, and broil, making it incredibly versatile for any recipe. Design and weight. In terms of design, the Ninja Foodi has a sleek look that fits modern kitchens. It's compact, but offers a total capacity of 8 quarts, with each zone holding 4 quarts. Weighing around 20 pounds, it's easy to store when not in use. Price. As for the price, you're looking at around $200, which is quite reasonable considering its multifunctionality and dual-zone capability. Pros. Versatile functions. Offers air fry, roast, bake, dehydrate, and reheat options. Large capacity. Can prepare meals for families or meal prep efficiently. Sync feature. Ensures both sides finish cooking at the same time. Cons. Bulky design. Takes up significant counter space. Higher price point, more expensive than single-zone air fryers. Learning curve. Multiple features may require some time to master fully.